Alright, hi guys, it's my first video here. I'm going to have a go making a handle for this file. It's never had one, well, not that I can remember. Plan is to use a piece of this. It's a piece of old curtain pole cut off, so just a bit of softwood. That'll do the job. I'm not an animal, so and it's even the right length as well. So idea is put a hole in there. I'll have to work out the size of the hole because we've got this taper here to worry about. I want to get a good amount in so it's nice and secure, but yeah, there we go. Right, plan is, because I don't have a lathe, I need to find a way of shaping this into a more, comfortable shape. I don't know, something like that, basic, something like that I'm probably going to go for. So my idea is I'm going to somehow mount this into a drill. I've got a drill stand, and we'll just see if we can have a go at removing some of the material. Never done this before. I've got this screw, it's got a relatively small head, it's got a reasonable amount of length. I'm hoping it's going to be enough, the idea being that I'm going to drive this in the centre, make sure that I am still round, because obviously if I get it a little bit off it's going to start doing this, which I don't want. So yeah, we'll have a go, put the hole in the middle, mount this, we'll get the stand on here. The idea being that I'll put the put this up into the chuck, try and get those past the jaws. I might even look for a longer screw actually, but that's the idea. So that's going to be screwed in. We'll have that, and the idea this will be spinning, and yeah, could do with some sort of stand, but then saying that I'm putting sideways pressure, so yeah, we should be okay. But yeah, we'll give that a go, see how we get on. Alright, here we go. It's been probably about 15 minutes in turning time. That's ages, but I've started to get somewhere. I've more or less pretty much got what I wanted on the bottom here, for the actual bottom of the handle, or end of handle. The only problem I was having with the oscillation and the fact that the workpiece doesn't stay true, which I didn't expect it to. It has a tendency to wobble around like this, so as I'm working here it will take, it does make it a bit uneven. For instance, down here I had to just take it out, file off manually about half the circumference, yeah, just put it back in, sandpaper, and yeah, it seems okay. This bit, just for the file there, started with this one, which is obviously what I'm making it for. A little bit of this one. I might go a tiny bit in, further in, and I might, don't know whether to just make it a very slight taper from this point to somewhere here, but I haven't decided yet. I mean, that doesn't feel too bad. We'll keep playing, see how we get on. It's all fun and games. Yeah, I'll start it up, show you what I'm having to deal with. Noise. Yeah, not great. Stuff falling off the fence. It's vibrating a little bit. You probably hear it in the camera. So yeah, like that. So yeah, I'll carry on, and yeah, we'll see how we get on. Okay, right, another 10-15 minutes. That's where I've got to. It's not too bad. Use the file for that. What I do need to do is just straighten this up because it's ever so slightly off, so all I'll literally do is put that in my saw, just chop that off. Yeah, it's actually quite comfortable. I have to say this is the longest process I think I can think of for making these, but I've only got one more to make, so yeah, next stage I guess we're going to square up this because it is slightly off. So yeah, I'm happy with that. We'll take the screw out and then start working out what sort of size hole we're going to need. Fit the handle, make sure it's nice and tight, and then we'll just put a bit of Danish oil on there. Alright, back in a bit. Alright, here we are, we're back. It is a bit later now. It's probably a couple of hours later. I've been doing other stuff as well. Right, yeah, a little update. Well, finished it. Drilled a hole in the middle. The only trouble is I didn't quite make the hole big enough so that when I was tapping in the file, it started splitting it. So pulled it back out, bit of glue in there, clamped this up, but it hasn't quite taken. Although I have araldited this in there. Bit of Danish oil on the handle itself. Don't know if you can see that the light's not great now because it's quite late, but I've got bloody shadows everywhere. Let's get another light. Put that up there, which is also in the bloody way, but never mind. There we go. So yeah, that's okay. What I did like was in the manufacturing of the handle, I did actually use this file to create this, but yeah, it's a bit off centre, well, miles off centre really. That is down, well, the hole wasn't in the middle in the first place. I really need a lathe. I have seen some people have made some homemade ones on YouTube using a similar sort of drill, so definitely something to consider, because I don't know if I want to spend money on a lathe, because I don't think I'll use it that much. There's other things I need really. I need a thickness planer, bandsaw. What else do I need? I don't even have a jigsaw, would you believe? I've got a wobble saw, which I kind of use for that, but sometimes you could just jigsaw, yeah. Something I'll have to look into, but yeah, so there we go. I'll see how I get on, because I am going to have another go making one for the round file, which I've now lost. Maybe I don't need to make it now. Oh no. There we go. So I have a feeling these two are from the same set. So I've got these Mickey Mouse ones. Well, I'll say Mickey Mouse. They've got plastic handles, but they're actually good files. They do well. They came in a set. But yeah. And eventually, at some point, I need to make just a little sort of stand just to keep them all together, because I'm fed up of digging them out of my toolbox all the time. It's not the way forward. Oh well, I'll wrap it up there. I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, interesting making it. I'll yeah, see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.